So today I'm working in this Esmaltina bicycle. There we go. Okay. So I already worked on this tire. I put a new tube on the tire and the rim and all that. That's good. So the other thing that I'm gonna do now is put a new tube on the back tire, on this tire. Okay, I'm gonna put this tube. It is, I think the size of it is 723. So I've got a tube here. There we go. The size of it is 700. I think the numbers that matter is this one and this one. So it's 723. Okay, unscrew this. Unscrew this little thing. This type of tube, I think it's called Presta, I think. Okay, the tube is on the tire, and I'm gonna put it on the hole of the rim, just like this. Okay. So you need to do just like this. Just put the tire and the tube on the rim. Make sure that this is straight. I think it's good. Just need to put some hair on the tires. To put some hair in this type of tires that are called Presta, I think. You have this little thing. Then you need to change this piece over here, okay? I'll use a screw to remove it. Okay. Okay. You remove this piece as well. Okay. So the way it's for Presta, and for normal tire like motorcycle ones, just put it right this. Okay. Just right this. Okay. And the bigger hole. Okay. But we are going to use the small tire. The small tire, no, the Presta one. Okay, with a hole in here and the smaller hole in here. Okay. Okay. So you need to unscrew. I already unscrew it, but you need to unscrew this little thing right here. Okay. This need to be unscrewed. Okay. So can go through the tube. Just a little bit more air. What I'm gonna do now is put the front tire just like the way it should be. Okay, like it's on. Just like this. Okay. Okay, the front tire have air, back tire has air. Okay, I don't have any brakes, right? Yeah, no brakes. Okay. Okay, the back is on. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Turn the lights up, please. Then I don't have brakes right now. Another problem that I have is rust. You can see all this rust, right? So I did remove some, compare this fork with some rust with this one. I think it's a lot cleaner, right? So what I'm gonna do is put some brakes on the bike and just adjust the seat. It's not good news, but I think I have another seat right there. This is not good news. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Okay guys, bye.